everybody, Nate Lee here, and I've got a lick for the advanced players. It's an E minor lick, and it's based on arpeggios. And it is used as the intro to a really well-known, we'll say it's new acoustic so I don't spoil which artist it comes from. A well-known new acoustic artist used this lick as the intro to his song. So if you know what it is, drop it in the comments. So this is a advanced lick, but intermediate players can hang, and even beginners can grab this one note at a time and still have some fun with it. So it is a lick that's in 6/8, or you can play it as triplets in 4/4. You could also play them as 8th or 16th notes as well. So here's how it goes. You start out with the 2nd fret of the A string, now 5 of the D, and then 2 of the D. And that's an E minor arpeggio. Now we're going to play a D arpeggio. All of these start from the 5th of the chord. So our D arpeggio is going to start on open A. Now 4 on the D and open D. So now we have E minor arpeggio, D arpeggio. Now we need C. We're going to play 5 on the D string, 2 on the D, 5 on the G, that's your C arpeggio. Now we need B minor. We're going to play 4 on the D, open D, and then 4 on the G. So we have E minor, D, C, B minor. And now you can either go to a lone E note, the 2 on the D string, or I like to play a double stop sometimes, so 4 on the G along with 2 on the D. Like that. So that's the lick. It works anywhere an E minor is happening. It would also work anywhere a G6 is happening. Because E minor and G are relative keys, and this lick is often played over an E minor 7, and E minor and 7 and G6 are the same chord, just with a different root. We won't go way into all that, but if anybody wants more explanation, I'm happy to answer in the comments or maybe even make another video. So this lick will work really neatly on anything E minor. And you can also use these licks to mix up the notes and come up with some other stuff. All right, have fun, and if you know what song this is from, drop it in the comments, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.